Hi guys, so I am Prerna. Welcome back to Talented Hub by Prerna Walia. So in part 1, I have started with a new chapter, cell structure and functions, which was my first video. And in that video, we have covered the keywords and the cell and the term cellular level 2. So in today's video, we will start with a new topic. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video as much as you can. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So our first topic is instrument to see cell. Microscope. Cell of living organisms which are very small. These cannot be seen by naked eyes. These can be seen only under a powerful microscope. So in this topic, basically, what is there is, let I tell you in brief. In this topic, we were talking about a microscope. Microscope is an instrument. By using that, we can see the cells easily, as cells are too small in their size, so we can't see them by our eyes or by human's eyes. So for seeing them, we want we want the instrument which we call as microscope. And the simplest microscope is a magnifying glass. um, there is a simplest microscope which we call as magnifying glass. A magnifying glass is called simple microscope. Magnification of a simple microscope may be around 10 to 25. With the help of a simple microscope, we can see small things, but very small structures may not be seen clearly with it. So in this point, basically in this line, they are saying that with the help of a simple microscope, or you may term it as magnifying glass, with that we can see the small things or the small cells or structure present everywhere, but we can't see very small things with it. So for seeing them, we want a special microscope, which is available in which you may seen in the laboratories. Then we have this line, which is the magnification of about 5,000 can be easily obtained in a good quantity compound microscopes. Therefore, for a compound microscope is used. Sorry. Actually, it is therefore a compound microscope is used for testing blood, stool, and sputum and sputum and sputum and sputum of patients. For the first and then the first use of the compound microscope is for testing the bloods, stools, and sputums of the patients. Which means, in brief, it is stating that the compound microscope is firstly used for the um, for testing the bloods, stool, and sperms of patients, and secondly it is stating that for the study of the cell and tissue of plants and animals. So the firstly it was stating about the testing of the bloods of the patient, and secondly it was stating that for the study of the cell and tissue of the plants and animals. Means, for the study of the cell, which are present in animal and plants, we need an instrument. We need an instrument which is compound microscope. So these two are the uses of that compound microscope. Then we have The next line is stating about the specimen to be examined with a compound microscope is placed on the specimen's table under the object lens. Light is focused on the object by adjusting the eyepiece. Means in this what happened generally, there was an instrument like this, which we called as which we state as microscope. So in this microscope, what generally we you may found it in the laboratories or in the labs. You may term it as laboratories and labs are same, we know this. And so in this you may just assume that this is a table, and this microscope is placed over the table. Then over this hole we have to place our eyes on in a manner that we can see, or we can see the things which are there over here. Yeah, over here means over here we like you may term it as a small chip. Just we place a small chip over here, or small substance over here, and then this by using this hole we see it. By placing our eyes over here we see it, and that is a microscope. So that is for today. The rest things we will cover in our next part, as it's too late. So let's end with this video, and I will post a new video soon. So bye bye.